Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the blocked error in Smartsheet. This error can be frustrating when you're trying to work with formulas, but once you understand what's causing it, the solution is usually straightforward. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to browse through your sheets and locate where the blocked error is appearing. Click on that sheet to open it up. Before we jump into fixing it, it's important to understand what's actually causing this error in the first place. The most common cause of the blocked error is something called circular references. This happens when two formulas depend on each other, either directly or indirectly. Essentially, one formula is trying to calculate a value based on another formula that's also trying to calculate its value based on the first one. This creates an endless loop that Smartsheet can't resolve, so it displays blocked instead. Another common cause is cross-sheet reference overload. If you're using too many cross-sheet references or referencing really large data sets, Smartsheet may block your formulas. This typically happens because the system is struggling to process all that data at once, which can cause delays or timeouts that result in the blocked error. Sometimes the blocked error appears when your formula depends on unresolved data. This might happen during bulk updates or changes when the data hasn't fully processed yet. If your formula is waiting for incomplete or unprocessed information, Smartsheet will show blocked until that data becomes available. Finally, the error can occur if you have an invalid or missing column reference. If your formula refers to a column that doesn't exist anymore, maybe because it was deleted or you have a typo in the column name, Smartsheet will display blocked because it can't find what the formula is looking for. Now let's talk about how to fix these issues. For circular references, you need to break the dependency between the formulas. The best way to do this is to split your formulas into separate columns and use helper columns to avoid direct dependencies. This way, each formula can calculate independently without relying on the other. If you're dealing with cross-sheet reference overload, try to simplify your references. Avoid referencing too many rows at once and only reference the data you actually need. The more you can streamline these references, the easier it is for Smartsheet to process them without blocking. For complex formulas that are causing issues, break them down into smaller, simpler calculations. Use helper columns to carry out partial calculations instead of trying to do everything in one massive formula. This not only helps prevent the blocked error, but also makes your sheet easier to understand and maintain. Always double-check your column names and dependencies. Make sure all the columns you're referencing in your formulas actually exist and are spelled correctly. Remove any references to deleted or non-existent columns, as these will definitely trigger the blocked error. In my example here, I have a blocked error because two formulas are depending on each other. To fix this, I can adjust my amount column and put some actual data in it instead of having it reference another formula. Once I do that, you'll see the blocked error disappears immediately because I've broken that circular reference. And there you have it. You've resolved the blocked error in Smartsheet by identifying and fixing the underlying cause. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.